In this video, I'm going to show you how to download all your data from Instagram. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin and first open up your Instagram and get in your profile. Here, tap on that three lines icon at the top right here, and then select your activity. Here, scroll down for a bit to use the very last option, download your information. Here we need to tap in that field your existing email and then tap on request download. Instagram will send you a zip file with your photos, comments, profile informations and more. And keep in mind that it may take up to 48 hours to collect this data and send it to you. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.